guys, it's Heidi and welcome back to Heidi's house. Today I'm coming to you with a shoe unboxing on a pair of shoes that I was sent from the company Empress. And Empress is an Australian company that makes kind of like a functional, office casual, dressy casual shoe, but it's also backed by podiatrists and it's healthy for your foot. So they sent me these pair of shoes to kind of review, and I'm going to share it with you. As always, I will put the company's website on the screen and scroll through the different options they have and give you a little background on the company. So if you're interested in it, keep watching. It came in a purple shrink wrap packaging, pretty much the same color, like this royal purple color on the back. And I will kind of be looking off to this side. I have a little bit of the notes here because I want to give you accurate information. So these shoes were originally developed, made for long days and something that could look cute, but were also healthy for your feet. They are made for long hours, for work or going out. So they developed these with the idea in mind that most flats weren't giving people the support they needed and were giving people sore spots and aches, aching feet when after long hours of wearing them. So they reimagined the flat for females from the ground up, working with renowned podiatrists over 810 hours and 17 revisions later. And they say that this is the ultimate pain relieving flat that's cute, affordable, and incredibly comfortable. So on their website, again, I'll put it somewhere on the screen, they do have a couple of options to choose from. And they sent me what's called the square toe flat. And the colors come in, I'll scroll through them, black and red, caramel, which is the color they sent me, and blue. And they come in European sizes, from European 36, and it looks like all the way up to European 43, and they have a sizing chart. And for those of you who don't know, my size is European 36, which is usually the standard US size, like 5.5, 5.5, 6. On here they show it as a 5, but I'm usually a 5.5, 6, and standard European 36 always fits me pretty well. So what do they say about this square toe shoe? They say the secret lies in the shape. Our unique square toe forms to the shape of your foot, which means no more foot pain. So that's cool. It's always nice to have a really cute, comfy shoe, but also that doesn't break your toes and won't deform your feet. It says it's perfect for those who have foot problems such as plantar fasciitis, neuropathy, bunions, hammer toes, and arthritis. Now, you guys know I love my Birkenstocks, but I don't usually wear them to the office. They're not the dressiest type shoes. They claim that they have a perfect fit made from a buttery mold to your feet leather. That's really cool. It's designed to fit like a glove. We'll see. And the soft material will literally cup your heel so it doesn't slip off. It comes packaged in this really pretty aesthetic shoe box. And inside, this is what it looks like inside. So each shoe is packaged in its own sleeve. And then it looks like there's a bag underneath. We'll get to that in a minute. And then in the middle, there's a really pretty rose. So let's take a look. Let's see if I can, let me see if I can push this down a little. Okay. All right, hopefully that won't tip over. So Here's the rose. Cute ribbon. Aww. Has kind of like a leathery smell. Look at the love they put into their packaging. And I guess this is their signature purple color. It's kind of like a violet or royal purple, something like that. So that's cute and thoughtful. You can totally use that to decorate. And then here's the 2 shoes. Come packaged separately so that you can store them or travel with them. And then they send you a little reusable tote bag, right? So that's really thoughtful and convenient. Now let's get to the star of the show. Again, the shoe, and they sent me the square toe shoe. Wow. Whoa, these are really buttery soft. So these are the caramel. Let me get the other one out. Okay. These are the caramel color, and they are square toe. And you can see Empress, size 36. This is all leather. Really soft. Super soft. Okay, so this leather is buttery smooth. I do agree with their claim. This leather is equivalent to the leather of a new ballet slipper. So if any of you have children who dance, or if you've ever danced, that really soft, buttery smooth ballet slipper type leather that completely conforms and molds to your foot. And if you look down, sorry about my dog, he's excited about the shoes too. If you look down the ball of the foot, you can see all this dimpling that I guess massages your foot. It is like memory foam. Wow, how cool. Okay. And this does come out, so you can see it's nice and cushy, which that's kind of neat. This is all leather, so that's going to absorb any oils or sweat naturally, and won't give you that stinky smell back. And you can probably spray the bottom if you want. And then this is the inside, the bottom. And let's put that back. So that's really neat. And then there's a drawstring here on the arch to keep it on your foot, I guess, if you want. And you can tighten it, or you can make it as loose as you want. And I suppose if this didn't suit you, you could easily, it's only knotted, you could easily unknot it and take it out and snip it off if really it wasn't your thing. So they smell really good. Oh, and the soles, let's look at the soles. Aw, look at the cute bunny. The soles are kind of like a man-made flexible rubbery material. I guess they give you just a teeny bit of bounce and shock absorption. So that's really neat. And let's try them on, see how they look. Okay, I have a summer dress on. And so these could be appropriate with this summer dress. Let's tighten these a little. So the first thing I'm noticing about these shoes is they truly are really comfortable. It is like wearing a very soft, supple leather glove on your feet. It is very similar to having a nice leather ballet slipper on your foot, but that's not constrictive. But that also has the shock absorption on the bottom. I really like the square toe. It's kind of in style right now, but the square toe actually allows your toes to kind of splay out so they're not cramping on top of each other. I like the memory foam. It's kind of like when you step down, it's like squishes and your foot molds in place. The drawstrings are cute. They are, I feel like an adult like upgrade instead of like the traditional Mary Jane. So I like that, because if you wore pants or slacks over it, you could easily hide it. I love this caramel color because it's a real neutral. I think the red would look real cute too. These shoes are so comfortable that you could even walking them, putting the backs down like as a clog. They're that comfy. Very supple. Honestly, I didn't even realize I had these on my feet most of the day. They're really cool. I'm actually really appreciative that I have these as part of my shoe collection. They are a really nice alternative to, you know, a luxury flat, but they give you that orthopedic ride. And the leather quality is like white glove. So if you're looking to have a really cute, functional, really nice flat, high quality leather with like an orthopedic ride for your feet, I would check these out from Empress. And they do have a couple of other styles and different colors. I don't think they'll disappoint you. I really enjoyed them, and yeah, I can't stop smelling them because they smell so good. So anyway, I hope you will check them out, and as always, ta-ta for now.